Namaste. Today we are going to understand addiction by comparing it with autoimmune diseases. What happens in autoimmune diseases are our immune system fights against our own cells and tissues thinking that they are foreign. So white blood cells, our immune modulators, the interleukins, other chemicals which are responsible for fighting against bacteria, viruses and other organisms, they start fighting against our own cells and tissues, and slowly they start destroying various parts. Similarly, in addiction, what happens is the changes in the brain makes it vulnerable. The brain feels so good by the surge of dopamine that it starts behaving in a selfish way. What I mean to say is the brain compels the person to use substance again and again to feel good, and in long run it does not think about other organs of our body like liver, kidney, lungs. How am I saying it? We all know a person suffering from fatty liver or cirrhosis of liver knows that alcohol is dangerous. He cannot consume, otherwise his health will be affected significantly, but cannot stop drinking it. A person suffering from COPD and respiratory diseases still continues to smoke to get the pleasure in the brain. So these are the symptoms that indicates that brain changes and it thinks of its own while the other organs of the body are getting affected. Second similarity, autoimmune diseases do not develop instantly. So today I don't have any problem and from tomorrow I will have an autoimmune disease. It will not happen. The changes are slowly. Similarly, addiction also does not develop immediately. Repeated pattern use for persistent some period of time, at least months or years, will lead to changes in the brain, and then it will become an illness. So that is why it does not come very fast, it does not go also very fast. And last but not the least, third similarity is autoimmune diseases have to be managed. They cannot be cured completely. Similarly, addiction also will not be cured completely but managed effectively well. What I mean to say is, just like autoimmune diseases, the treatment of addiction also will be long term, persistent, and with good treatment, they can be managed very well. So, by this means, we can understand about the pathological part of addiction. It's not just a habit, an effect of a bad company or lack of willpower.